It's a 2018 Buick Enclave. Smart, sleek, and beautiful, it shatters expectations of what a crossover should be. It comes with the features you need, and better yet, want. Streaming audio, power heated mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, rear parking sensors, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual zone climate control, V6 engine, hands-free liftgate, automatic with driver control suspension management, and automatic transmission. For Buick, the efficient, stylish, upscale crossover had single-handedly resuscitated a brand that previously looked as healthy as Oldsmobile. Imaginative luxury for the real world. That's today's Buick. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive.
We hope you enjoyed this virtual walk-around at Ken Houtz Chevrolet Buick. We're conveniently located at 6404 George Washington Memorial Highway in Gloucester, Virginia.